Have you ever wondered how television reaches this small device without internet, without cables? This is not magic. This is terrestrial television. It all starts here. A terrestrial broadcast tower. Television channels send signals to powerful broadcast towers. Audio and video signals are transmitted to broadcast towers for distribution. These signals travel through the air as radio waves, covering cities, towns, and rural areas. The signal is digital, clean, efficient, and designed to handle noise and distance. Your mini television receives these signals using a small antenna. No internet, low power consumption, reliable even when networks fail. Terrestrial TV is strong, simple, and dependable. That's why it matters for information, entertainment, and emergencies. From a broadcast tower to your hand, this is how terrestrial television works.